how are you? And hope you are doing well and everything is great on your side and you're happy and everything is going well. So let's start the business. First match, Brighton versus Hove and Albion. Brighton and Hove Albion versus Nottingham Forest. Brighton will win the match. And Arsenal versus Manchester City. Manchester City as a host team will score at least 1.5 goals. Okay. The second match is Bayer Leverkusen versus Wolfsburg. Leverkusen will win the match. VfB Stuttgart versus Borussia Dortmund. This match is going to be like this. First half, either Stuttgart will win or they will draw. Okay. The other match is ST Poli versus Rasenball Sport Leipzig, or shortly known as Leipzig. Leipzig will win the match. Fiorentina versus Lazio. Lazio will score at least one goal. Okay, keep that in mind. And Roma versus Udinese. Roma will win. Internazionale Milano versus Milan, or EC Milan as we all know. Both team is going to score, okay, or play over 1.5 goals. In Spanish league, Getafe versus Leganes, it's gonna be a double chance. Either Getafe will win or they will draw. I will upload another video talking about more matches. So this is the matches: Brighton Hove Albion versus Nottingham Forest, Manchester City versus Arsenal, Bayer 04 Leverkusen versus VfL Wolfsburg, VfB Stuttgart versus Borussia Dortmund, ST Poli versus Rasenballspor Leipzig, Fiorentina versus Lazio, Roma versus Udinese Calcio, Internazionale Milano versus Milan, Getafe versus Leganes. We won't mention the other teams. For example, Athletic Bilbao versus Celta Vigo. Athletic Bilbao will win. And Villarreal versus Barcelona. Villarreal will score at least 0.5 goals. Rayo Vallecano versus Atletico Madrid. Atletico Madrid will win in the first half, and in the second half, Kimki versus Orenburg. This match is gonna be 1x. Either Kimki will win or they will draw. Rostov versus Dynamo Magashkala. Rostov will win the match. Monaco versus Le Havre in French League 1. Monaco will win the match. And JSCO versus Nantes. This match is going to be a double chance. Either the first or the second team will win. Lyon versus Olympique de Marseille. Marseille will score at least one goal. Okay, take care of yourselves and see you later. Thank you.